in Tanzania regarding the spread of novel coronavirus. Zanzibar's health ministry has halted planned visits by a large number of Italians to the island in a bid to curb the spread of the coronavirus. Isaac Lukando is our correspondent there. Isaac, a very good morning to you. What are you learning there this morning?
Good morning to you. We learned from the Ministry of Health in Zanzibar, the semi-autonomous island, that they are halting all direct flights from Italy. As you may know, Italy is one of the worst hit countries by the coronavirus. As it stands, about 197 deaths, more than 4,600 cases reported there. And so a lot of countries are taking measures to reduce the number or curb the number of people traveling from that country, seeing it perhaps as a risk, potential risk for the spread of the coronavirus. And this is the case with the Zanzibari government through its Ministry of Health. It declared that they're temporarily halting flights from Italy. It should be noted that there are quite a number of hotels owned by Italians in Zanzibar,
right,
and therefore attracts a large number of Italians coming into the island. So perhaps that might have triggered such a move.
Right. So we know that Italy has one of the biggest outbreaks of COVID-19 in Europe. About 150, at least 150 people have died so far. Schools have been shut down. We know that sporting events have been affected in Italy. Talk to us about Tanzania. Tanzania hasn't recorded its first case of coronavirus, the novel coronavirus. But what are people saying on the ground, Isaac? Are they confident that this country can handle any such case of COVID-19 in the event of confirming one?
Well, as far as the country is concerned, and the chatter you hear with individuals on the street, is that most of them are listening to what the government is saying, and the government through the Ministry of Health on mainland Tanzania has come out in public and told the public that it will be the main source of information as far as declaring that there is an outbreak or there is a confirmed case of the coronavirus. But it has also told the public that they're taking measures against a possible outbreak in the country. So they outlined measures they've taken for the last 1 month, talking about the number of people screened at different ports, airports and borders. About 11,048 people screened, a sizable number of thermal scanners placed at entry points, and those, the government says, are functioning. They've set aside labs and isolation centers in case of an outbreak. And so the public is going with what the government has told them so far.
Zanzibar is such a popular tourist destination. How concerned, how worried are tourism officials in Tanzania with regards to this COVID-19 strain?
Going by what the Minister of Health in Zanzibar talked about during his press briefing, the Zanzibari government is not taking any chances, considering the fact that in large part the Zanzibari economy depends on tourism. You get almost 500,000 tourists coming into the to the island annually. So there are thousands of tourists that are expected to be coming in. And so the government there is not taking any chances. Apart from halting flights from Italy, they also pointed to halting a planned party that's called the Moonlight Party, rated one of the top 10 in the world of its kind. That would have attracted about 1,000 foreigners or tourists coming to the island, and they said that they would halt that and any other unnecessary gatherings on the island.
Right. Important information there. Thank you very much indeed, Isaac. Isaac Lukando is our correspondent in Tanzania, talking about some precaution measures that that country is taking there. We are going to keep you up to date with the latest with regards to COVID-19 outbreak in a number of countries. We're going to touch base with our correspondents around the world, so stay tuned for that. Bring you back to